In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect router to Soundcraft Ui24R. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To configure your router and connect it to the Soundcraft mixer, you will need to configure some network settings. So, to start, access the interface. Make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network where you will be setting up and connecting the Soundcraft mixer to, and access the network settings for your router. This is going to depend for every single router. Usually you have to visit a specific URL, for example 192.168.1.1. But if this IP doesn't work, then it might be a different one. I would recommend checking the manual for your particular router and seeing how you can access the setup page for your particular router. In here, you can assign specific local IP addresses and register different devices. So all that you have to do after you note down any specific address that you would like to use is to visit the page for your Soundcraft mixer. So go to the mixer website and access the settings. So click on the settings icon, go to the network category and choose config underneath wireless network hotspot. This will prompt you to sign in. By default, the username and password is going to be admin and admin. You can change this later if you wish. So after you input admin as a default, click on sign in, and now you will find yourself at the UI Mixer config page. Under LAN configuration, you can now input an IP address. So go over to manual, make sure that the UI here is enabled, and once you select manual, you can input any IP address that you wish. Usually the same combination of 192.168.1 and then followed by a specific number. The NAT mask can usually be left on default, which should be 255.255.255.0. And for the gateway, again, you can configure this if you prefer. Once you have input all of these details, save an update, reboot your Soundcraft mixer, and you will be good to go. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.